Hello everybody and welcome back to LMM for another one of our 360-degree videos. Today we're at the Moors Valley Railway on board the 7¼ inch gauge Tinkerbell, and we're here at Kingsmere and we're going to do a trip the whole way around the line. So away we go. So he got us in the cocks here, we'll just shut those now we start to move. Ooh. Keep the cocks open, that's a bit wet. Shut those now. And away we go. And it's a lovely day to be out here on this fully signalled line. So I've got to try and keep an eye on my water and my fire and my pressure on this trip. So away we go, keep an eye out for signals. Make sure we've got a train, still got the train. And away we go. Everything kind of seems okay so far. We'll just shut the regulator a little bit and carry on. You see that the two signals ahead. All looks good there. I'm going to just turn my water on down here and get a bit of more water in my boiler. Like that. Shut the regulator for a second, see where we are. Pretty good, I think. Green light ahead. Injector is injecting, that's very important at this stage. We'll knock that off. Open that, see how my fire's burning. Well, the fire's still there. And away we go. Keep it running nice and gently. Gets a bit more draft through there from the blower. Green light again, green light over there. It's all quite a lot to take in as we work our way along the line. So I've notched it up now, so we're second notch. Keep an eye out for everything. Water's okay, pressure's a bit down. The whistle board there, so through we go. Shut the regulator and let it just see what we can do with. Another train. So we're coming to the first tunnel now. So it's a slow down. We've got the green on the board. Give it a whistle for the board. The blur is on. We have water, so we shall slow through here. Through the tunnel, which I am honestly not sure if the camera's going to fit through it. Oh, there it is. Right. Into forward gear, and now we're going to chuck a bit more coal in here. A bit more coal just into the box. Slam that shut. And slowly make our way up here. Sure, no ash in there. That's good. Lower hard on, keep the steam coming around. This is quite a steep gradient up here, so lots of regulator. Water's off, water's off. There we go, over the top, notch it back. And shut the regulator a little bit. Keep it going nice and gently along here. We're going to have a little poke at the fire as we've got a green. Just make sure it's still all burning at the front there. Shut the regulator. Chuck some of this coal forward. Oh, shut that. Get my injector on as we come through here. Injector on as we go through here. Wow, that's a lot taken. keep it going. Injector is on. And we're still going along here. Another green light ahead. There's a lot to take in, a lot to think about on this. Around we go again. Shut that off. Another opportunity to chuck a little bit more coal into the box. And slow it down through here. We wiggle our way through and under. Injector's still on. Injector's still working. Most important thing is having an injector that works. Knock that off for a bit. Give it a bit of a chuff as we come through here. Oh, and a yellow light ahead. That's fine. It gives me a moment to recover. Oh, yes. Oh, and we've got a green. Notch it back. Notch it right back. Let it just roll gently on its own. But poke through the fire. Still going. A bit more coal into the box. The rule with this is if you can't fit any more coal into the box, it's full. So that'll do. So we're going to gently make our way along here. Lawrie is hard on to try and bring my little fire around to a bit low on soon. But a green light ahead, so into the tunnel we go. And we'll gently make our way through here. Gently. Through another tunnel. Try and keep enough speed up, enough steam up. Whistle board. Got the signal up ahead. Make sure we've got good airflow underneath our fire. Rake out some of the ash. Keep it coming in the water. The fire is still there. Feels very weird being on a little engine doing this. Not bad. So we'll just keep our way going along here. Just let it work. We've got water in. The steam just about. Just about all right. Not an awful lot, but we'll just let it do its thing gently. Got steam slowly coming in there. Nice and gently now. Slowly, it's a hard thing to keep steam up on. I'm honestly finding that. So I'm just going to keep gently going now. So there is another train as we saw on the section, so we can't hold that up. Yeah, it's steam's slowly coming back, so we're just going to keep the train gently going. Gently keep that going. Nice and smooth. What a lovely thing it is. Steam is holding steady. Keep it just doing that. Another. Get the rake and just give the fire a bit of a poke through. Make sure it is doing what I want it to do. Like that. Oh, it's a gradient. It does a bit there, so we're just going to chuck a tad more coal into that and literally slam the door on it. They say that if you can't get any more coal in, there's enough coal in it. I know it sounds a little bit counterintuitive, but that's how it says. That's how you fire a Tinkerbell. There we go. Shut the regulator a bit as we go over the top of the gradient there. Signals ahead saying everything is clear. We're okay there. Water's a bit low, so we'll just put the injector on for a little bit. like that. A bit more water into it. Slowly make our way along here. Keep that injector on for a little bit. And then injector off, shut that. Into the tunnel we go. So up ahead you see we've got the first signal is giving us permission to proceed, but underneath we see we have a distance, so we know that that's giving us a yellow or green, so that's okay. She's coming round, she's doing okay. Come round here, the water rolls back a little bit, so definitely going to want to have that back on. And next signal up ahead, because the train's there, is at red, so we shall get my injector on. Come to a halt here, so we saw we had the distance against us, so now we have this against us as well. And they have stopped us on the top of the hill, which is fine. And I see water bubbling in the gauge, that's pleasant. Put that in there. Injector is just about chucking some water in, which is also good. So it was about this point that, to save battery on the camera, I turned it off. And then when I got the green signal, I was so excited I completely forgot to turn it back on. So we missed the final few minutes of going up to the top and then down into the platform. So sorry about that. But if you want the full review, how about clicking somewhere there to see the video I did on Tinkerbell, or down there for one of my other 360-degree videos. And thank you all very much for watching, and go check out the Moors Valley Light Railway website for more information on driver experiences, where you get to do just what I've done today, or their other events like their big gala, which is well worth checking out. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll try not to muck the next one up. Bye.